Hey tech lovers, ever wished you had a personal AI assistant to organize your work or boost productivity? Well, today we're comparing two powerful AI tools, Bluedot and Mem AI. Which one is right for you? Let's find out. When it comes to main use, Bluedot is mainly used for AI-powered documents and receipt scanning, while Mem AI is meant for smart note-taking and knowledge management. When it comes to what they are best for, or who they are best for, Bluedot is best for freelancers, accountants, and expense tracking, while Meme AI is best for writers, researchers, and team collaboration. When it comes to AI capacities or capabilities, Blue Dot extracts data from receipts and invoices, while Meme AI also organizes notes and connects ideas. When it comes to integrations, Blue Dot works with accounting software, while Meme AI syncs with Slack, Google Drive, and the likes. When it comes to pricing, Blue Dot has freemium model and paid plans for businesses, while Meme AI has free tier and premium plans for teams. When it comes to ease of use, Blue Dot has a simple drag and drop scanning, while Meme AI has smart tagging and AI powered search. When it comes to mobile app, both of them have mobile apps for iOS and Android devices. When it comes to unique perk, Blue Dot has real-time expense tracking, while Meme AI has chat-like AI memory recall. So, what do you say? What's the conclusion? Well, I'll say if you need automated expense tracking, choose Blue Dot. But if you want AI-powered smart notes, choose Meme AI. So, which one wins? Honestly, depends on your needs. Blue Dot is a lifesaver for receipts, while Meme AI is like a second brain for notes. Drop a comment which one are you gonna try out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI showdowns. See ya next time.